Hi there friends. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your phone flashlight on and off using quick and easy methods. If you accidentally removed the flashlight shortcut or can't find it in the quick settings panel, don't worry. I'll also show you how to add it back in just a few steps. Step: swipe down from the top of your phone screen. On some Samsung devices, you may need to swipe down twice to fully open the quick settings menu. Step 2. Look for the flashlight icon. It usually appears as a small torch symbol inside the quick settings panel. Step 3. Tap the flashlight icon once to turn the flashlight on. Your camera BOP LED light will immediately start glowing and can be used as a torch in dark areas. Step 4. To turn the flashlight or PEP off, simply tap the same icon again. The light will instantly switch off. If the flashlight icon is missing from your quick settings menu, you can easily add it back. Step 1. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen to fully expand the quick settings panel. Step 2. Tap the edit button or the pencil icon depending on your Samsung phone model. Step 3. You'll now see all available quick settings icons. Find the flashlight option from the list. Step 4. Touch and hold the flashlight icon, then drag it into the active quick settings area. Step 5. Tap done or save to confirm the changes. Now the flashlight shortcut will appear in your quick settings menu, allowing you to quickly turn it on or off anytime you need. Thanks for watching this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Samsung phone tips and tutorials.